Today we're talking about PowerSmith string work light. Yes, we're feeling festive in the spirit of lights. This string work light is 50 feet long with 5 lights and packs 7,500 lumens. And to show you how it looks, I'm gonna be setting it up in my house's Crawlspace. So come on over, let's check it out. So I moved into this house pretty recently, so I really wanna have good light down here. And that's where the string light comes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up to see what's in here, because it comes with the tools to fasten it, or comes with the parts to fasten it to something, but I did get some hooks just in case. But this whole thing, okay, all right, so those were the hooks, I believe. Wow, it's really compact. I'm really surprised by that. Yeah, oh, these are magnets. Okay, so these are all magnets. I did not expect that, but that's really great to know that there's magnets on the top here. I don't really have a lot of metal that I want to attach them to, so probably gonna forego on these metal ends. I got these. These are just your standard kind of hook with a screw end. Got my pre-drill, so I'll be pre-drilling some holes, put these in, and Bob's your uncle. Here we go.
I've just got it hooked up right here so that when I want to get that extension cord over here, it'll be ready for it.
Look at that. Isn't that interesting? The previous owners thought that it was worthwhile to store their old library down here. Sure, that works.
Books are still here. Might have a bit of a challenge reading some of them, though.
Anyway.
This is kind of the unfortunate one I'm not so happy about. This one is tucked kind of behind this vent, but it is at a higher angle than pretty much everything else. So it will be able to shed light in lots of directions, I hope. And yes, I have plants in my crawl space. For years they've been growing, and now I will disturb them.
There's actually a surprise down at the end of this crawl space I am excited about.
Okay, got power cord right here. We're gonna go ahead and, as you can see, let's see the before. You can't, because it's so dark. Let's go ahead and take a look at the after. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, that is so good. There's all the books. There's all of them. And the thing I forgot to show you that I was really excited about, I'm gonna take you over to. Okay, over here, we've got some fungi growing. Look at that, there's 2 of them. But boy, if anybody knows what type it is, holler at me, let me know. This, excuse the shrub in my crawl space, but this is such a massive improvement. I am so happy with this. And that's working out great. I was concerned that this would be tucked away too much, but it's at a nice elevated point where it gets light all around. And there you go. Now that that is all set up, my takeaways are that it was easy to install, super easy. You just have to get your own hooks because what it comes with are the magnets. So buy some simple hooks at Home Depot or wherever you like to go. And putting them in, these lights, I mean, it was a piece of cake. Now, I would be curious if anyone has experience with the magnets, how well those work. I could see those being really useful if you are gonna take them down and put them up really often. But in my case, I'm leaving this set up. So I'm not really that worried about it. The other thing I'll say is that they're really bright. Like, this is a lot of good light down here. Gonna make it so easy for myself or anybody else that comes down here to do projects. Thank you for sending these lights over, PowerSmith. I mean, they look great. And the space down here, I can see all the work I need to do. Because there's a lot of work I need to do.